for the inaugural function of a 3-day workshop on science journalism. With a huge round of applause, let us welcome Dr. A.H. Ramarao.
NCJ Campus. After traveling from America, jet lag ಅಂತ ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
What this is called as the hybrid events.
ಮೊದಲ ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತ ಆಯಿತು. ಈ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಂದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಸಹಜವಾಗಿ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಗೋದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನರಸಿಂಹಯ್ಯನವರ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ. ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಮೊಳೆ ಚುಚ್ಚಿ ಪಂಕ್ಚರ್ ಆದರೆ ತನ್ನಿಂತಾನೇ ನೀವು 30 ವರ್ಷ
3-day workshop, science journalism ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
After the inauguration session, now let us move forward for our next talk by Dr. H.S. Niranjan Aradhya.
ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅವನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪ್ರಯೋಗಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. Politicians should have the knowledge of science.
Now I would like to introduce this session chair, Dr. Y.C. Kamala Ma'am.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ವೃತ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಪ್ರವೃತ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. Take a look at this. What does a science journalist do?
I deal with students like this.
Moving between science and science communication.
Music per se is 100% science.
Hope you have enjoyed your refreshment.
Tea break. I welcome you back to the.
देखो ऐसे मौसम में बिना मोजे के घूम रहे हैं.
We have enough and more data. Yeah, it's there. Okay.
Especially with science videos, which is very direct and straightforward.
We come to the end of the second session of day 1.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Navyashri, the student of the National College. I welcome you all for day 2 of this 3-day workshop on science journalism conducted by BVJ Jagadeesh Science Centre, the National College Jayanagar, in collaboration with Kuvempu Bhashabharathi Pradhikara, Government of Karnataka.
Good morning everybody. Program executive.
So, coming to the science communication in different media.
With that simple experiment, you can explain where, suppose for example, this is the scale. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ ಯಾರು ಬೀಡ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
The lunch is arranged in HN Kalakshetra.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ. ಶ್ರೀ ಜಿ.ವಿ. ಅರುಣಾರವರನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Those who have not enjoyed the lunch, please raise the hand. Present session is a very important session
Because most of the points are covered by all the stalwarts and eminent personalities that we have met. We can all carry our own steel bottles.
It's the best time to have a coffee break, and this is not fake. I could hear somebody coughing.
Now let's see some typical characteristics of fake news.
Moving forward, we need to be more vigilant with what we trust from the internet.
Not everyone bought it.
To the, but that required known as capsule.
Right? The way I did it is I gave it a try.
And I also thank both the speakers of these 2 sessions, Mr. Altaf and also Shama V. Panuprasad.
Good morning, everybody.
Hello, everyone.
So my literature review is focused basically.
Thank you, everyone.
And guys, what a presentation. You give me goosebumps now. Now I'm thinking, what am I supposed to do?
See other people, how they are facing these issues.
Why is the letting go of your anger is very important?
Blood splatters, bullet parts, etc. Are you thinking of murdering someone?
I'm just going to do it.
Okay, the next participant.
We are going to talk about food.
Okay, so just after the talk on food, let's break for the lunch.
ಮುಂದೊಂದು ದಿನ ಭೂಮಿ ನಾಶವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ.
ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಮ್ಮ?
ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸರಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಏನು ಟೀಸ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ವೋ, ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು